Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MR3 Discord bot page presentation. In this video I'm gonna explain to you how to use MR3 Discord bot. If it's the first time you're using it, well, you're at the right place. Essentially I'm the maker of him, but I made like way too many commands and it's kinda hard to follow it up. Also, I'm just gonna, instead of being overwhelmed, I'm gonna explain to you how to do it. So we're gonna start with a fresh server on Discord. It's John Wick fans. I'm a big fan of John Wick, so you want to create all these channels to get started. I know I give you some work, but General's channel is where all your message will be. It's a normal channel. The log channel, the announcement channel, the welcome channel, level up, and the tickets. So we are gonna go set up this right now. So we just type /setup and the level up. I'm gonna choose the channel level up. That will be where the notification for level up appear. Whoops, global we made false. Essentially, if you do global, it will always give the level up in the channel where it has been earned. While if you choose false but we put a channel, it will always be in the channel, so it's not. I'm just less spammy, let's say. So yeah, that's one done. Now we're gonna set up the log. It's simple. You just choose the appropriate channel where you want your thing. The announcement. So yeah, I'd done it on PC, but it turns out that my mic was bad. So, and the welcome channel, which is pretty cool. And the welcome. And lastly, the tickets. We want the category to appear in the text, so it will always appear first. Our staff role is staff. Now we send it up. Nice. Now we're gonna verify if all we did is working well. Set up view, and everything is set up. So now we can pass to the next one, which is set. No, it's auto welcome. Autorole, sorry. Yeah, let's set the member. The role for member is member. And the role for bot, which is every new bot in the Discord will have this role. Whoops, not staff. Super bot. Yeah. So now if we say autorole statue, it tell you member role will be member and bot role will be super bot. So that's pretty neat. And my favorite comment is Wikipedia. It's really useful. You can search for like cybersecurity or whatever. I don't even complete it. Well, cybersecurity. What? Come on. For the first time, it's not working. Dang. I will find it. It's just bugged. Okay, sorry. I'll check again. Cat. Come on. Well, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it's a good command. You just look and give you the result. No, usually it works the preview. Yeah, if we click on that, sorry, I just want to find a little comment that I forgot to talk about. Yeah, you can do check perms. It will tell you if there's a problem. Uh, you can do stats to see all the thingy. Well, and you can use the moderation command. I can warn a user like the bot. I don't know if it will work. Test. And it's a John Wick related thing. It's amazing. That's pretty much it for the setup. Now, if you want to see more, you can see all the list of update by clicking to MR3 update history. which is pretty convenient. And then you see all the newest update. Oh yeah, channel analyzer. I just made this comment today. Channel analyzer. Now we're gonna analyze it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it on my main server because this is too much. I don't have another message, but channel analyzer will actually gather the 5,000 last messages if you allow him. Community, the limit is by default 2,000, but you can put it up to 5,000. So yeah, include attachment, and then we're gonna throw it a process, and then it will actually make a. It will tell you when is the best time to post something if you want to get views. It's gonna tell you at which hour of which day, which is pretty nice. Especially if you're a content creator. Sorry, I was drinking my coffee, but I'm just waiting for this. Yeah, 5,000 messages is quite a lot, so it takes about 30 seconds. Bear with me. Come on. Yes, there we go. So for me, the best timing to post is Tuesday at midnight, as you can see. Tuesday at midnight, that's where there's the most activities, yeah. And those are the top users. It's well made. It's very useful. So yeah, there's something else I want to show. I'm gonna go back to this one. Oh, we got a log, you see. It also log what we do. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, if you like games, probably. You can do game info. You can search for, let's say, Arc Ascendant, which I love a lot. Oops, just don't make a mistake. It will show you the game. What do we have already? I have so much coming, I start forgetting him. Yeah. Yeah, apparently I made this. Yeah, there's a bunch of commands I made. Pretty useful. More than some are more useful than others. Oh, sorry, I'm just looking. Okay, if you have you want to see, let's say you can check your moderation, your logs with this. Yeah, the tickets. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do the cybersecurity tips, random cybersecurity tips, and the tickets. We'll do an example. So that I wanted to create a ticket. It created. I'm going here. Hello world. And yeah, only one member, two role can interact, so it's perfect. And then if I want to close the ticket, just do close ticket. Then the channel will be deleted. Excellent. See, it worked pretty fine. So yeah, it's pretty much it, man. I can do a bad promo to just end up that here. So everyone, if you want to add them, it's just go to https mrichard333.com/caps MR3, and you will be there. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an amazing day.